General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee AICC ubakmi eka Meghalaya Umanish Chhatra haka khat khandai diri risau ulapan pau ka jingso skhem baka party Congress kaniyo eka jingjob haka neka election Lok Sabha arhajar arpulai ha Meghalaya kata na baro ki atali ki seat ka Shillong batura parliamentary seat Habakren Shakilat Pathai Khubor Uchatra Ulaong ngatharai ka election Lok Sabha ka Banlong House Nam Ubanwan kan sekala ha kaneka kenti ka bamenta bat ngisno skhem baka seng Congress kaniyo eka jingjob na baro ki atli ki sip Ulaong ru habakmi ka kanhun MPCC hapo ka jingalam joba Vincent H Pala ngisno tikna bat nge bangin syajid hau pajba namar haba pipej hadin ka jingwan jong kaneka sarkar ha ubnai rempang leber ki kila kelalut ka ka bakila kular kim syam lala ban pun urlong Nalor kata ulaong bahaba phai sya kasamoy kabala debru lasakhi baya ka kabala kular om syamlala ban pun urlong satya kumta menta ki briu suki kilas ngothu ya ki rukom trekam jong kane ka sarkar kajing bom yo kam yo jam hapdeng ki samla kala nang kiu ulaong ru baka jing pun kre jong ka party kala ya syat Uni uhe ka AICC uwakmi eka jela ulaong haba phai sya ka election hakasi hills bat hagaro hills ngiladon yikinong yalam balarang ba bat om dei satya badon tang uwei Henry Bungun bat hakabakut ka dei ka screening committee ha Delhi ka banrai bat kayat pat sya ka Central Election Committee banrai manu na kini kinong yalam kibak hamdon jingkermen banjom Hakabaya dei bat kaji le jong ka seng Congress hau ni usnem arhajar arpusau uchatra ulaong babun ki seng san partai kila penyesok lang haka kanhun sendrop India bat kadei ka kanhun ka bakhlain bat ka badon ru ikinong yalam barat ba naki jela ba pher jong kari Ulaong shushu nadu Tamil Nadu West Bengal Delhi Rajasthan Madhya Pradesh bat Punjab ki don yikinong yalam barat ba ki balalong menteri rang ba ki jela kumju ha Bihar Maharashtra kani ka kanhun sendrop kadei ka bahe bat ka badon yikinong yalam balarim kat baki wei pat ki don tang wei unong yalam phiathu yanga ki ki party badon ha kani ka kanhun
Congress party is always with open arms, welcoming people. Anybody from any sphere of life can join the party. So you were always part of us, you will always remain part of us. And I'm very happy from this platform I can say that since the time Mr. Salen has joined the party, we are growing. We are growing day by day in Garo side also, along with Deborah ji also. Both of them are doing their best to ensure that coming elections, Lok Sabha elections, we do well in Garo, as well as we have strong leadership in Khasi. We will ensure in next elections that we get both the seats this time and give it to the leadership, Kharge ji and Rahul ji, so that both the MPs can be in the parliament. So Adrian, I'm humbled to address Meghalaya's vibrant youth, the torchbearers of our rich culture and traditions. The energy of youth inspires our every effort. As I stand before you, I remind the cascading waterfalls, the lush green forest, and the rhythmic sound of our traditional drums, and resonate with the heartbeat of Meghalaya. But beyond this natural beauty and rich culture, what truly fills me with hope, the optimism, is the potential I see in the eyes of each and every youth of this beautiful state. Today I wish to share a vision, a dream that we as Congress Party has choose to our hearts, a vision of advocacy and potential action shaped by the aspiration and dreams of every young individual in this room and across the state. So I would like to talk about the Congress commitment to an unemployment-free Meghalaya. The Congress Party envision of Meghalaya where every household has a job. It was unfortunate we couldn't form the government. If we were part of government, we had a lot of plans for the state, which I think in 2028, we will be in a position to do in a better way. The Congress Party is therefore unwavering a commitment, a rally for an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Together in your aspirations and our advocacy, we strive for a brighter tomorrow for this state. One of the most pressing challenges our state faces is unemployment. Today, the unemployment is very high in this part of the Northeast. I would not say it is good in any other Northeastern state, but this part also is very high. Fully harness one youth's capabilities. However, with the blueprint of Congress vision, we can see a future where unemployment becomes a word of the past, a mere chapter in our rich history. Employment generation within Meghalaya. The Congress Party envisioned a Meghalaya where economic opportunities are not just limited to few urban areas, but spread across the state, which benefits each and every youth of the state. The path to professional growth and personal fulfillment with their home state of Meghalaya. Historically, the Congress has always prioritized the needs for the poor and the common people. We believe that by addressing unemployment, we address the very root of many social and economic challenges the state has been facing. Meghalaya is rich in its natural resource, in its biodiversity and its cultural heritage. Whether it's ecotourism, sustainable agriculture, handicrafts, IIT, each sector offers immense potential for job creations. While we advocate for these sectors, we also underline the importance of skill training to prepare our youth for these opportunities. And I think now that we have 5 very intelligent MLAs along with Balaji, we should also focus Balaji and create a committee within our own system where we start generating ideas so that in next 3-4 years when we are in power, or right now also all MLAs can take up these issues regarding skill training and job creations within the assembly so that the state has to benefit. We can't expect other MLAs that they'll be doing this or that. It is our duty also to ensure that in assembly we are vocal, we come up with good ideas so that the state benefits. Inviting the youth to voice their opinion. It's not just about finding jobs, it's about building careers also. We want our youth to be more than just employees. We envision them as leaders and innovators. So, somebody said that, I think Lindlok ji said, Ronnie ji said that, I'm here to give a motivational speech, But the youth is in a better position to motivate all of us. You rightly said that. They're in a better position because what they know at the age of 30, 35, I think at the age of 50, 55, 60, we lack some sort of zeal. Not the ideas. We have experience, we have the ideas. But the zeal, the passion this youth has. So we have to learn something from them also. So role of youth in cultural promotion and preservation. Historical commitment. The Congress has been the steadfast thread ensuring that our ancestral lands remain securely in the hands of our people. Our traditional administration, our customary laws, and above all the sanctity of land ownership have been preserved due to the dedicated efforts of the Congress party in the past, which we'll keep striving for in the future also. Potential of the state. Meghalaya's potential from minerals to tourism is boundless. As you all know, the Congress party advocates for infrastructure development and ecotourism promotion, aiming to unlock numerous opportunities for our youth. Balaji, still I feel, coming from Guwahati to Meghalaya, it takes around 3.5 hours to 4 hours. Still the road is so bad with so much of traffic, so much of hindrances on the way. So infrastructure is also one part which we have to focus in our assembly so that this government of this state gets up and do something about the infrastructure also. Ecosystem preservation, our forests, rivers and ecosystem are Meghalaya's crown jewels. As we champion the cause of sustainable development and conservation, we firmly believe that our youth will stand as flag bearers leading the way of vital mission. The path of truth, and I ensured my character never failed with any damn thing. I stood with great clarity with my party, with my leaders, with the leadership of the party, so that I could serve in whatever capacity I could. But now, as you all know, we had a tough time in last one and a half years in Meghalaya. Very tough times. We had 17 MLAs. First 12 of them left us. Then we were left with 5 of them. Then those 5 also left. So we were like 0. Aryavat. So it was quite a tough time for Balaji, myself, Celestine ji and other leaders also. Salanji gave us strength after joining. But then we fought elections collectively. Though we were down, definitely we were down in our thought, in our confidence, in everything. But we ensured that we have to open our innings from zero to whatever we get. 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, whatever we get. We were lucky we got 5 MLAs, though we could have got 2, 3 more, but it's okay. We managed to get our CLP leader as Mr. Ronnie as our CLP leader, which is also a remarkable thing which happened with us, because the other party also had the same number of MLAs. For that also I congratulate our team under the dynamic leadership of Balaji that we were able to manage this. So now we have a team, we have a leader of opposition in the assembly who can raise his voice along with his other 4 MLAs, his colleagues, with the experience of Celestin. So the youth has to come up with ideas, share these ideas with your seniors. They will take up the cause, they will take up the issue in the assembly, which is very important. Then only issues taken up by Congress will be highlighted. And once those issues are highlighted, we will benefit from that. People will understand that Congress is active, Congress wants some positivity in the state, Congress wants something good for the people of the state. That is very important. So the role of youth is very important in this. By just finishing this youth convention, singing a song or just garlanding few of us will not serve the purpose. Once the party ticket is given to somebody, should be our duty to stand by him or her and ensure his victory is our victory. If A wins, everybody wins. Z wins, then also everybody wins. We should target these 2 Lok Sabha seats and keep working hard so that we can strengthen Rahulji's hand, we can strengthen Khargeji's hand, we can strengthen Congress party. And it is not some rocket science. You can easily do it. You are all, those who are sitting in this hall and those who are not able to join today, they're all very educated, very smart, with great potential. You know everything. How to propagate your policies till down below, which you can do. The only issue is the sincerity has to come out and we have to be on the road from tomorrow onwards only. If we can do that, we will definitely win this election. Having said that, that doesn't mean that we don't have to do anything from AIC. We will also have to do a lot of things from AICC, as my friend Salim keeps asking for. So what we have to do, we will do definitely. But now it is the responsibility of each and every member of this party, each and every supporter of this party to ensure that we work hard till the elections. And I wish, Balaji, I think you should request the leadership. I don't know, we keep talking, we keep listening that Bharat Jodo Yatra 2 is going to start. So somewhere from Northeast. But I think from your side, from your MLA side, from your party side, you should write a letter to Rahulji asking that if you want to start Bharat Jodo 2, we are ready for it and start from our state, Meghalaya.